You don't have a charger, you don't know what to do. It's a complete panic mode. Well, College Humor has made a spoof video about that feeling, which all of us, I think, can relate to easily. All1053.com. Keyword valid. 30 Son of Northway Traffic Center. All 105.